हाय एवरीवन। अभी 2 दिन पहले मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे एक आर्टिकल भेजा एंड ही वांटेड टू इंक्लूड दैट आर्टिकल इन माय शॉर्ट वीडियोस। और वो चाहते थे कि सबके साथ में उसको शेयर करूं। एंड द आर्टिकल इज ऑन द पावर ऑफ सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन। When we speak of power, we usually think of somebody with lots of money or property. But one of the most powerful men who ever lived had neither of them, neither money nor property. Mahatma Gandhi did not own a house, he had no money, but his influence eclipses that of any other person of this and past century. Let us look at it and analyze the sources of Mahatma Gandhi's power. Here was a man who, over long years, step by step, defeated the British Empire. He fought freedom for India from the Britishers by using a certain powers which British government did not understand. What were the powers? There were 5 sources of his power. First, definiteness of purpose. He knew what he wanted. उनका पर्पस एकदम क्लियर था. He wanted freedom for India. That is definiteness of purpose. Second, going the extra mile. Going the extra mile means come what may, कुछ भी करना पड़े, I will do it, but I'll get the freedom for India. It is going for extra mile. Third, applied faith. Applied faith means he knew वो जो कर रहे हैं वो उनको पूरा विश्वास था अपने ऊपर कि जो भी स्ट्रेटजी वो अपना रहे हो, जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह से भी कर रहे हैं, उससे फ्रीडम मिलेगी. That is called applied faith. Fourth, mastermind. He masterminded with few of the people जो जिन्होंने उनका साथ दिया उस समय, उनके साथ ग्रुप बना करके मास्टरमाइंड करके स्ट्रेटजी प्लान उन्होंने स्ट्रेटेजाइज किया, शेयर किया, उनकी राय ली एंड देन ही डिड whatever decided. So that is called masterminding. Two or more people when get together for a definiteness of purpose, that is called masterminding. So it's very important. We also do. We must do rather masterminding. And the fifth is self-discipline. What is self-discipline? It is explained in few lines further ahead. How do you suppose Gandhiji managed to keep his mind focused on one definite major purpose all those years? He must have had many opportunities to capitalize on his situation or to use his power for his personal benefits. Anyone who had the power Gandhiji had might have been tempted by such opportunities. But he had the self-discipline to lead a simple life, and thus he had the self-discipline to free a nation. So अगर उनके अंदर वो डिसिप्लिन नहीं होती, सेल्फ कंट्रोल, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन नहीं होती, तो शायद ये सब चीजें नहीं हो पाती. That is the power of discipline. And few two quotations I wanted to highlight here. That decision पे डिसाइड किया ना उन्होंने, डिसीजन लिया. So how we can arrive on that particular decision in our life? So you can eliminate conflict and confusion in your life by becoming proficient at making decisions. Decision making brings order to your mind, and this order is then reflected in your objective work, that is your results. When you make a decision, you flip your brain into a different frequency. You begin to attract whatever is on that frequency. is quoted by Bob Proctor. So ये बहुत बड़े अचीवमेंट की बात हम कर रहे हैं, एक महापुरुष के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत कुछ भी नहीं हम तो बोलने हम आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई एम एबल टू स्पीक ऑन हिज करेक्टर और ऑन हिज अचीवमेंट्स, बट यहाँ पे पर्पस ये है ये कोट करने का कि अगर हम इन क्वालिटीज का, इन वर्च्यूज का कुछ परसेंटेज भी अपनी पर्सनालिटी में इनकलकेट कर पाए, क्या कर सकते हैं हम अपनी लाइफ में, क्या अचीव कर सकते हैं? थिंक ओवर इट. See you in the next video. Till then, always keep happy, keep smiling, love everyone. God bless. Thank you.